Good morning, my name is Daniela Jaramillo and I'm going to talk about peripheral ganglia. Peripheral ganglia are a group of cells found in the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. The PNS is found in the periphery of the central nervous system, or CNS. This exists outside the spinal cord and the brain and is not enclosed with any protective structure.
Peripheral nervous system. The nervous system is a complex, sophisticated system of the human body. It regulates and coordinates our bodily activities. This system can be divided into two parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Let's take a look at the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is a channel for the relay of sensory and motor impulses between the central nervous system on one hand and the body surface, skeletal muscles and internal organs on the other hand.
The peripheral ganglia have the following characteristics: major function, protection is non-existent, and receptivity.
Neuron, or a nervous cell, is the basic building block of our nervous system. There are two types of neurons in the peripheral nervous system. Neurons which carry information from the body to the central nervous system are called sensory neurons, whereas neurons which carry information from the central nervous system to the rest of the body are called motor neurons. The cell bodies of peripheral neurons are often found grouped into clusters called ganglia. The peripheral nervous system is composed of two kinds of nervous systems.
The major function of the peripheral ganglia is to connect the central nervous system to the different parts of the body. The peripheral ganglia are found near target organs in the upper area of the body, more specifically in the head. You can also find them in the abdomen, thorax, stomach, spleen, and liver, kidney along the pelvis area, which acts as the target organs. The protection is non-existent. It is easily susceptible to bacterial invasion or physical trauma because protection through bones is not existent. The receptivity, it responds to the synapse of neurons found at splenic nerves and the preganglions. The peripheral ganglia involve the inferior mesenteric ganglia, the superior mesenteric ganglia, and the cilia. The peripheral ganglia perform vital functions that no other body part can do. Knowing these functions and facts can help you understand certain physiologic and biochemical processes and their relationship to health and disease.
The peripheral nervous system is composed of two kinds of nervous systems. The first one is called the somatic nervous system, which is composed of spinal nerves and cranial nerves. The cranial nerves are the ones which exit from the brain, and the spinal nerves exit from the spinal cord. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Some cranial nerves are sensory nerves which carry sensory information from the external stimuli or body organs to the central nervous system. For example, olfactory nerves for nose, optic nerves for the eyes, and auditory nerves for ears. Some cranial nerves are motor nerves, like the ones going to the eye muscles that carry information from the central nervous system to body organs.